Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Physics by J Sir. 11th Physics, chapter number 2, Unit and Measurement. In last video, we explained parallax method and illustration number 2.3. Now here we are going to explain method to find dimension of a star. Okay, so suppose we want to measure diameter or radius of star. Okay, we will use this method. So first of all we explain its figure and then we explain its equation. See this figure very carefully. This is planet. This is two diametrically opposite point on the surface of planet. Okay, diameter of planet is denoted by small d. Okay, this is Earth. The distance of planet from Earth is capital D. Okay, and here we observe 2 points from Earth to the diametrically opposite points on planet. Okay, so this is our first direction of observation. First of all we observe this point of planet from Earth, and then we observe this point of planet from Earth. An angle between these two direction of observation is denoted by alpha. Alpha is known as angular diameter. So this is the simplest description. The diameter of planet to be small d. Okay, here we want this distance. The distance of planet from Earth is capital D. This is already given. And alpha is known as angle between two direction of observation. So these are our direction of observation. Angle is alpha, where alpha is known as angular diameter. To find equation of small d, here we will use equation of plane angle. So use equation of plane angle. According to equation of plane angle, theta is equals to arc upon radius. Okay, theta angle is equals to arc upon radius. In this situation we have alpha, okay, instead of theta symbol. So here we use alpha is equals to arc. See this figure very carefully. The small d or diameter of planet is nothing but arc of our circle. Okay, and divided by radius. So distance between planet and Earth, this is nothing but this is capital D. Okay, so alpha is equals to small d upon capital D. Theta and alpha, these two angles are equivalent. Arc is equals to, here we use small d, and radius is equals to, here we use capital D. Make equation of small d. Okay, because we want a dimension of star, diameter or radius of star. So equation of d becomes d is equals to alpha into capital D. Now we will use this equation in our next example. Okay, and then we find the value of diameter of sun. Illustration number 2.4. The sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 second. Okay, the double dash represents second. So angular diameter value of alpha is given 1920 second. The distance capital D of the sun from Earth is also given. Distance between Earth and sun. Okay, here we use sun as a planet. So this distance capital D is given. It is equals to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Find the diameter of sun. Okay, so here we want small d, diameter of sun. So this example is based on this equation. So first of all we separate our all given values. Here we have these are given value. Alpha is equals to 1920 second. Capital D is equals to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. We want small d. So here we use equation of small d. According to this theory, small d is equals to alpha into capital D. Value of alpha is given, value of capital D is given. Okay, here we can find value of small d. But remember this point, the value of alpha is given in second. Okay, so first of all we convert this value into radian. So then first of all we explain calculation of angle. We convert this value 1920 second into radian, and then we use the value of angle in terms of radian. Okay, and then we find our answer. Now first of all we explain calculation of angle. Alpha is given, it is 1920 second. Okay, 1920 second, but relation between 1 second and radian is our standard relation. So 1 second is equals to 4.85 into 10 raised to minus 6 radian. This is the standard relation between second and radian. Okay, using this relation we will convert value of second into radian. So 1 second is equals to 4.85 into 10 raised to minus 6 radian, but here we have 1920 second. So alpha is equals to 1920 multiplied by 4.85 into 10 raised to minus 6 radian. Now multiply these two numbers. So our answer is 9312 into 10 raised to minus 6 radian, 9312 into 10 raised to minus 6 radian. Here we shift decimal point 3 digit left. Okay, so our answer becomes 9.312. Okay, we will also write this value as 9.312 into 10 raised to minus 3 radian. So this is our value of alpha in terms of radian. Now here we have value of capital D, that is distance of sun from earth, and this is the value of alpha, angular diameter of earth. Okay, we will use these two equation in equation number 1 and then we find our answer. Now substitute value of capital D and alpha in equation number 1. So diameter of sun small d is equals to alpha, it is equals to 9.312 into 10 raised to minus 3 into capital D, distance of planet from earth. Okay, or distance of planet sun from earth, it is 1.496 into 10 raised to 11. Multiply these two number 9.312 and 1.496. So our answer is 13.93. 10 raised to, here we have minus 3 power, 10 raised to, here we have 11 power plus 11 power. So our power becomes 10 to the power 8 meter. 13.13 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Now here we convert this answer into its exact form. So 1.393 into, here we shift one decimal place left side. So our answer becomes 1.393 into 10 raised to 9 meter. So this value represent diameter of sun. Okay, so using this method we can, using simple equation, we can find diameter or radius of any planet. Okay, from this equation. Thanks.